Hadi öptüm. Hadi bay bay. Tamam canım, bay bay. Bookmark.
The snowfall that began in Istanbul early on New Year's Day negatively impacted transportation in several districts. Several vehicles were stranded on roads in Sarıyer and Beykoz. Following a meteorological warning for the city, the expected snowfall has already begun affecting several areas. In Sarıyer and Beykoz, on the European side of Istanbul, the snow intensified, covering roads, rooftops, and cars in a blanket of white. Vehicles struggled to move due to the snow on Büyükşehir Street in Sarıyer, and some even skidded. The continued snowfall in the area also caused increased traffic congestion. Northern Marmara Highway. In the Sarıyer area, several vehicles also experienced road damage. Some drivers pulled their vehicles to the side of the road and waited. Salt was also spread on roads where snow removal equipment was operating.
Aslında onu yanlış yapıyor. O sıra şey yapacak. Sen de elinde görüyorsun.
In Anatolia, in the surrounding areas, the snowfall, which intensified in Beykoz, Ümraniye, and Çekmeköy, caused difficulties for residents. In Beykoz, where vehicles were having difficulty moving, residents helped move cars stuck in the road by pushing them. Vehicles unable to navigate the snow-covered slopes formed queues on the road. In some areas of the district's higher elevations, snow depths reached approximately 10 centimeters. Several accidents resulting in property damage also occurred in the district. Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge. Due to limited visibility, drivers drove slowly. The snowfall, which had been warned by the meteorological service several days earlier, began to hit Istanbul. Especially in the city's highland areas, heavy snow quickly accumulated on the ground, covering several districts in white. AKLM, Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality Disaster Coordination Center, issued a new warning for the afternoon, and snowfall was expected to continue intermittently throughout the day. With the snowfall, the question of whether schools would be closed also became a focus, and all eyes were on the Istanbul municipality's upcoming statement. Snowfall that began on the first day of the new year affected the highland areas of Sarıyer, Beykoz, Sultangazi, Bagsalar, and Arnavutköy. Streets and parks were quickly covered in a blanket of white, and residents enjoyed the snowfall by taking photos. The Istanbul Metropolitan Municipality Disaster Coordination Center, AKOM, reported that snowfall could increase starting in the afternoon. According to forecasts, heavy snowfall is expected on the European side, around the Bosphorus Strait, and across the Anatolian side. Temperatures are expected to range between -1 and 3 degrees Celsius, with precipitation easing after nightfall. But the risk of ice and frost will continue until Friday morning. Snowfall is expected to affect the areas around Beykoz, Sarıyer, Sile, Ümraniye, Çekmeköy, Üsküdar, Besiktas, Hatayşehir, Sancaktepe, Sultanbeyli, Eyüp Sultan, and Sizli. With the continued snowfall, speculation remains about whether schools will be closed on Friday, January 2nd. The decision is expected to be announced by the Istanbul provincial government. According to the General Directorate of Meteorology, Eastern Marmara, Central Anatolia, the Black Sea region, and much of eastern and southeastern Anatolia will experience rainy weather. Snow and hail are expected in many areas, while the risk of avalanches is increased in the highlands of the eastern Black Sea region and eastern Anatolia. Warnings have been issued that winds could reach speeds of up to 60 km/h in northern Marmara and some coastal areas. Authorities stress that residents should exercise caution and take precautions against adverse conditions such as heavy snowfall, blizzards, ice formation, frost heaving, roof damage, fallen trees, and transportation disruptions.